Stop. Before you scroll past, answer this one question honestly. Do people truly respect you, or do they just tolerate you? Maybe you work hard, you're kind, you do everything right, but somehow, people still don't take you seriously. They talk over you, they ignore your ideas, they forget your name. Sound familiar? You've tried being louder, you've tried being nicer, you've tried working harder. Nothing seems to stick. And the worst part? You can see other people who aren't even trying as hard as you getting all the respect. Why? Here's the truth nobody tells you. Respect isn't about working harder or being louder. It's about understanding how people psychologically perceive confidence, trustworthiness, and presence. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We're covering 12 powerful psychological tricks, backed by science, tested in real life, that will change how every person around you sees you. Starting right now. Let's go. What if I told you that making people respect you has nothing to do with being loud, aggressive, or powerful? Today, we're going to unlock the psychological tricks that make people genuinely look up to you without you having to demand it. Respect is one of the most misunderstood things in human relationships. Most people chase it in all the wrong ways. So let's break it down. What does real respect actually look like, and how do you earn it? Science and psychology have studied this for decades, and the truth? Respect isn't given to the loudest person in the room. It's earned by the most self-aware one. Let's dive in. Here's what all highly respected people have in common. They don't try to impress everyone. They simply show up as their most grounded, consistent, intentional selves, and people feel it. Trick number 1. Speak less, mean more. People who talk constantly often say very little. But when you choose your words carefully and speak only when you have something valuable to add, people lean in. They hang on your every word. Think about the most respected person in any room. They're rarely the one dominating the conversation. They listen, they observe, and when they finally speak, everyone goes quiet. That's the power of deliberate silence. Before you speak, ask yourself, is this adding value? Is this the right moment? Think like a chess player. Strategic, patient, purposeful. Quality over quantity every single time. Trick number 2. Master your body language. Studies show that over 55% of communication is nonverbal. Your posture, your walk, the way you hold your chin, all of it sends a message before you open your mouth. Compare these two versions. Shoulders hunched, eyes down, shuffling steps, you communicate self-doubt. But walk in with your spine straight, head up, and shoulders relaxed, and you project calm confidence. Same person, completely different energy. Practice walking into every room like you belong there, not arrogantly, just peacefully. People unconsciously mirror the energy you bring in. Walk in grounded, and the room adjusts to you. Trick number 3. Make meaningful eye contact. Eye contact is one of the oldest signals of trust and confidence in human psychology. When you hold someone's gaze warmly while they speak, you tell them, I see you, I'm fully here. Darting eyes signal anxiety or dishonesty, but steady, warm eye contact says I have nothing to hide and I value this conversation. The difference in how people respond to you is immediate and dramatic. In group settings, rotate your eye contact so each person feels included. This small habit makes you magnetic in conversations and positions you as a natural leader without saying a single word about it. Trick number 4. Always keep your word. Nothing destroys respect faster than broken promises, and nothing builds it faster than a reputation for doing exactly what you said you would do. Respected people don't overpromise to seem impressive. They underpromise and overdeliver. When you consistently check off your commitments, people begin to see you as someone they can count on, and that is priceless. Even in small things, being on time, replying when you said you would, following through on tiny favors, these micro-commitments stack up into a reputation of gold. People don't forget who shows up. Trick number 5. Stop seeking approval. This one is counterintuitive. The more you need people to validate you, the less they respect you. But when you're grounded in your own values and move forward regardless of applause, people are drawn to your certainty. When criticism and praise both come your way, and they will, Your job is to stay centered. Take useful feedback. Let the rest go. People who cannot be rattled by others' opinions carry a quiet power that others find deeply compelling. Your relationship with yourself is the foundation of everyone else's relationship with you. When you genuinely like and respect yourself, without ego, just quiet confidence, others feel it and mirror it back to you. Trick number 6. Be genuinely interested in other people. Dale Carnegie said it best: "You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming genuinely interested in others than in 2 years trying to get others interested in you." Ask real questions. Listen to the answers. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. When someone feels truly heard by you, they feel valued, and people deeply respect those who make them feel that way. Remember people's names. Remember small details they shared with you. Bring it up next time you see them. This simple habit communicates that they matter to you, and that makes you unforgettable. Trick number 7. Control your emotions. Emotional regulation is one of the rarest and most respected human qualities. Anyone can react, but the person who stays calm under pressure, that person becomes the one others turn to in a crisis. When anger rises, and it will, don't suppress it or explode. Acknowledge it internally, take a breath, and choose your response. The gap between stimulus and response is where your power lives. Make breathing your secret weapon. A slow breath lowers your cortisol, relaxes your body, and clears your thinking in seconds. You go from reactive to responsive, and that shift is visible to everyone around you. Trick number 8. Set boundaries with confidence. Boundaries aren't walls, they're declarations of self-respect. When you calmly and clearly say what you will and won't accept, people learn how to treat you, and they respect you for it. The word no is a complete sentence. You don't owe anyone a lengthy explanation when you decline something that crosses your limits. A calm, firm no, delivered without guilt or anger, is one of the most powerful things you can say. When you walk away from situations or people that violate your values, without drama and without explanation, you reinforce to the world that your standards are non-negotiable. People notice, and they adjust how they treat you accordingly. Trick number 9. Be dependable and consistent. Respect is built slowly, through patterns of behavior over time. Show up. Do the work. Be the same person in private as you are in public. That consistency is magnetic. Anyone can perform at a high level once, but the person who shows up at 80% even on a bad day, that person builds a reputation that compounds over time. Consistency beats brilliance in the long game of respect. Make a personal commitment to yourself. Show up every single day. Not perfectly, just honestly. Because people can feel when someone is real with them, and realness, delivered consistently, earns lasting admiration. Trick number 10. Dress and appear with intention. You don't have to wear designer clothes, but how you present yourself signals how you feel about yourself. When you take care of your appearance with intention, people perceive you as someone who takes life seriously. Dress for the respect you want, not just the occasion you're attending. When you walk in looking put together and self-aware, you set the tone before you've said anything. First impressions are made in milliseconds. Make yours count. Trick number 11. Speak with calm and clarity. A slow, clear, measured voice communicates authority and confidence. People who rush through sentences nervously lose the room, but a calm voice that pauses when it needs to, that voice commands attention. Don't be afraid of the pause. When you don't know the answer, it's okay to say, "Let me think about that." That 2-second pause before speaking is not weakness, it's wisdom. And people feel the difference between someone thinking and someone performing. Trick number 12. Give without expecting anything in return. Generosity is one of the most underestimated tools of influence and respect. When you genuinely help people and give your time or knowledge freely, you become someone people cherish. It doesn't need to be grand gestures. Holding the door, helping someone pick up what they dropped, sharing a resource that helped you. Small acts of genuine generosity build a reputation of warmth and trustworthiness that no title or achievement can buy. Let's bring it all together. Speak with intention. Own your body language. Make eye contact. Keep your word. Stop seeking approval. Be curious about people. Master your emotions. Set clear boundaries. Stay consistent. Present yourself well. Speak calmly. Give generously. 12 tricks, 1 transformation. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be the smartest or the most powerful person in the room. You just need to be the most grounded, the most genuine, and the most consistent version of yourself. That is what earns respect that lasts a lifetime. So here's your challenge. Pick just one of these tricks and commit to it starting today. Just one. Practice it for 7 days. Watch how people around you begin to shift. If this video helped you, hit subscribe, because there's a lot more where that came from. See you in the next one.